presenting a pre-owned 2020 Alfa Romeo. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Alfa Romeo is a great value with less than 48,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.